Claude Design has had some massive updates over the past few days, and it can help you launch a brand like this in minutes. I just built an entire keyboard brand. The website, the pitch deck, a 3D product render, and a custom animation without hiring a designer, a 3D artist, or a motion editor. All inside Claude, no other tabs, no other apps. Claude Design's new features makes everything a breeze, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how. By the end of this, you'll basically have mastered how to use the new Claude Design, including all of its latest features. So let's get straight into it. Before I even touch Claude Design, there's something I must do first, and that's create a design system. A design system tells Claude Design exactly what your design should look like, keeping everything on brand and preventing generic looking designs. There are many ways to build one. Drop in your Figma or GitHub if you have one, or just upload slides and images that showcase your brand design. If you don't have anything, no worries. Just flesh out your idea and taste in Claude or ChatGPT and ask it to create a detailed design system. Then just dump whatever text or files you get into Claude Design. So that's what I'll do now. I'll tell it I'm building a keyboard brand, Hall effect switches, adjustable actuation aimed at enthusiasts who already know what that means. And I ask Claude to help me nail down the name, the positioning, the colorway, the materials, the voice, before generating a single image. We land on Gauss, dark, technical, no nonsense. That becomes the anchor for literally everything else in this video. Now, I'll take all of that and I'll paste it straight into Claude Design to generate a design system, and boom. Now that the design system exists, building the actual website takes one prompt. And because it already has our design system, it just knows what fonts, what colors, what tone to use. Look at this, our website is ready. It fits our design system and most people leave it here, but that's not what we're gonna do. Now, one of my favorite things about Claude Design, the editing. This saves you from reprompting over and over again. I can draw directly on the canvas. Let's say I don't like how this section feels. I circle it, type what I want, change it, and send. I can also just click into the text and edit it directly, like a normal document, no prompt needed. And then there's this, the tweaks panel. Claude Design automatically generates a bunch of these for you. Different color intensities, layout variations, spacing options. I can just click through these and see what works instead of guessing with prompts. But let's say none of these tweaks give me what I actually want. I can just ask for one, and it adds that as a new option right here in the panel. Now, let's get some funding for Gauss. For that, we need a pitch deck. Simply switch to the slides template and prompt for one. Answer a few questions and it gets to work. So about templates. Templates allow you to easily specify which type of design you're actually looking for. There are a lot of templates to choose from: mobile apps, documents, 3D, flyers. Just play around with them and find what suits you best. New ones are also being added over time, and here's one feature most people miss. You can add skills to Claude Design too. So, for example, if you have a skill file that teaches Claude to write LinkedIn posts in your voice, you can just add it to Claude, select it in design, and ask for a carousel post with your design system. A huge time saver. So our deck is done and, of course, already on brand. Same colors, same fonts, same feel as the website. You can even tweak it. Nice. Now, the part that genuinely surprised me, 3D. I select the 3D template, then ask for a 3D model of our keyboard sitting nicely in a modern workspace. Also, make the lighting and materials adjustable. Just watch this. Amazing. Look at this. I can spin it, I can adjust the lighting, change the finish, keycaps, even the desk. Wow. This isn't just a cool render to look at once and forget. Watch what I can do with it. I dropped this exact 3D model into the Euro section of the website. Now, instead of a static product photo, visitors get an actual interactive product. You can tweak it, click through to an extended view, wow, they can build their own keyboard and see how it fits in a workspace in 3D before clicking buy. Crazy. Last key feature to know, motion graphics. Here's the graphic I want. Every keyboard you've ever bought passed through several countries before it hit your desk, and nobody who buys one has any idea what it actually costs to make. So I want a map with the supply chain animating across it, and then it cuts to a chart breaking down what each part costs versus what you pay. Nothing fancy, I just described what I want to see. And here's what came back: detailed, well-paced, all from a single prompt. Stunning. And just like with other artifacts, I can make tweaks, draw to request changes, and so slap some sound or talking head over it and it's ready for an explainer video or an ad. Just export it as a video and you're done. Everything looks great inside Claude Design, but what if I want to actually turn the designs to code I can publish? Easy. I just hand it to Claude Code. You can copy and paste the prompt or download and point it to the zip file. Claude Code takes the same design and turns it into a real working code base. So that's pretty much the whole tool. Remember, design system first, everything else inherits from it. Oh, and speaking of Claude Code, if you'd like to learn how to build websites even crazier than from earlier with Claude Code and Higgsfield, watch this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.